Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first ever vlog. And मैंने कल एक वीडियो बनाई थी अपने नेल्स लगाते हुए कि कल मेरे को कहीं जाना है एंड दैट डे इज़ टुडे. सो आई एम गोइंग to the BTS live concert viewing in Delhi. I am going to Pacific Mall, Subhash Nagar, and I am very excited. Right now it's 12:34 p.m. and the show is actually at 3 p.m. so we have plenty of time. And right now I have to get ready. So let me just iron my clothes real quick and then I'll show you what I'm going to wear. And guys, look at my nails. I did them yesterday. That is going to be a separate video. So let me go get ready and then I'll show you. Okay, so guys, I am done ironing my clothes. Now let me show you. So I am going to be wearing this top that I bought from Azort, from this brand. From this brand it was for 600 rupees and I think it's really cute. It looks very nice. These are bootcut jeans. They are grey colored. Yes, I bought these from H&M and I have worn this jeans many times and I really like it because this jeans never disappoints. So now let me wear the clothes and then I'll get ready with my makeup and everything. I actually don't do makeup. The only thing I put on is blush when I have to go somewhere or whatever. But yes. So guys, I have worn my clothes. This is what I look like back and from the front, and I think the outfit is really nice. It looks really cute. Now I'm going to wear these shoes that I have. Okay, I know they look a bit dirty, but I am still yet to buy new shoes. Okay, I swear I'll buy them soon. For now I have to wear these and they are not that bad. I have worn these many times and they also never disappoint. So let me just wear my shoes. Guys, मैंने shoes भी पहन लिए. दिखा नहीं सकती क्योंकि flexible मैं हूँ नहीं, but I have worn my shoes. Okay, wait, I can show like this. ये रहे guys मेरे shoes. ये रहे guys मेरे shoes. I know अभी भी नहीं दिखे, but that's okay. So now I have to comb my hair. और मेरी comb भी अभी दूसरे रूम में है. And all of the stuff that I am supposed to put on my face. So let's go to the other room and get ready. देखो गाइस, मम्मी अपने कपड़े प्रेस कर रही हैं. मम्मा से हाय टू माय व्लॉग.
Hi guys.
Guys, subscribe to her channel, okay? @Sapna's Lifestyle. She does not have a lot of subscribers right now, but she will grow. Her channel is really nice. Guys, it's time to comb my hair. So I am going to put this cream moisturizer on my face. It's by Plum and it's called rice water and niacinamide. I actually don't know, but yes, I think it's really hydrating. It's the one I always use on my face. Pinky, guys, pinky up. If you know, you know. I'm not going to put anything else on my face except blush. मेरा blush गया कहाँ? Wait guys, इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, mostly for my nails, but इसमें मैंने blush रख रखा है और उसको निकालने में थोड़ी struggle होने वाली है. So just wait. Guys, this is a beauty blender and this is the blush. It's by Insight and this is the only blush I have actually. So like usually I just use a lipstick with a good shade, but then I bought this one, so just a tiny dab. कभी कभी ज़्यादा लग जाता है, मेरे को ब्लश लगाना नहीं आता. I will learn. देखो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग गया. This is why I said मेरे को ब्लश लगाना नहीं आता. Okay guys, now it's time for a lip combo. So the one I always do is this lipstick by Zudio. It's in shade जो भी लिखा है ये MAUVE and then nude. So I don't know how to pronounce the first word, but it has a very really nice shade. So I am actually debating on which perfume I should use. So I have two options. Okay, first one is this one. It's called Fields at Nightfall, and this is by Zara. And then the second option, it's called Fashionably London, and this is also by Zara. But the problem is I like both of these perfumes equally. But I think for today I am going to be using this one, Fashionably London, because I think that this is better. Or it's magnetic. I think that's really okay guys. Now it's time to मेरे बैग को तैयार करने का टाइम हो गया. I mean तैयार क्या करना है, तैयार तो मेरे को होना था. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. Jewelry. The only jewelry I'm going to wear is a ring that I bought from I don't remember where actually, but अभी तो पता नहीं मिलेगी भी या फिर नहीं. तो guys मेरी ring नहीं मिल रही and that is going to be a problem यार. I really wanted to wear it. This jewelry organizer is looking a bit messy even though this is an organizer, but इसमें बहुत सारी फालतू की चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन it does not have what I need because जो रिंग थी वो मैंने ही खोई है, बिकॉज मैंने वो किस घर में किसी रैंडम प्लेस पे रख दी थी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई लॉस्ट इट. सो आई एम थिंकिंग वेदर आई शुड वेयर दिस ब्रेसलेट और नॉट, बिकॉज इट हैज़ दैट वायरल डिज़ाइन ऑफ दैट. व्हाट इज़ दिस? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्लोव? लाइक दिस इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर और वट एवर. आई डोंट नो, आई एम सो सॉरी, बट आई थिंक आई शुड वेयर दिस. बट फिर मेरे एक हाथ में घड़ी भी है. सो does it look good? Do you think silver jewelry will suit better on this outfit or golden? My watch is also golden, so maybe I should go with this. Okay, fine. Okay, now let me take out my bag and then I'll show you the things I put in my bag whenever I go to the mall or everything. So guys, this is the bag. पहले निकालने दो. This is the bag I always carry with me. This is by Guess, and this is literally my favorite bag ever. Like it's a sling bag and I take this everywhere I go. And it's black and brown in color, and यहाँ पे हर जगह GG लिखा हुआ है for some reason, because that's the brand's initials. So इसमें I like लड़कियों को चीज़ें रखनी क्या होती है, like lip gloss, lipstick, and then I will keep a sanitizer. वो भी sanitizer भी पता नहीं कहाँ है. वेट इसी में I think. हाँ guys, I always carry this sanitizer by Bath and Body Works. So this is going in, and then my lip gloss. Like this is the only important thing that I carry in my whole bag. Okay. उसके बाद I need a hair tie of course. और हेयर टाई भी अब मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ेगा. सो आई फाउंड माई हेयर टाई. ओके, एंड देन आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी कैरिंग दिस लिप बाम, बिकॉज कभी कभी लिप ग्लॉस लगाना बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाता है. बिकॉज ये जो लिप ग्लॉस है ना, ये कभी कभी ना लीक हो जाता है यहाँ से साइड से व्हेन यू क्लोज इट. सो आई थॉट कि अगर ये लिप ग्लॉस लगाने में मेरे को इनकन्वीनियंस हो जाए, सो आई विल जस्ट यूज़ दिस लिप बाम. इट्स बाय शुगर एंड आई हैव यूज्ड 3 of these lip balms. Okay, and I've been using it for so long, and like I am not a big fan of the color of this. Okay, it looks kind of orange or something, but it's fine, like it's usable. Now I also found my watch, और इसको ये ब्रेसलेट मैंने राइट हैंड में पहना है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेयरिंग दिस वॉच इन माई लेफ्ट हैंड. माई बैग इज़ ऑल्सो रेडी. यहाँ पे आगे मैंने टिश्यूज़ भी रख रखे हैं जस्ट इन केस. एंड लिटरली मेरा बैग इतना खाली है ना, लाइक द ओनली थिंग आई एम कैरिंग इज़ अ हेयर टाई एंड देन सम लिप प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देन अ सैनिटाइजर, लाइक दैट्स इट. ओके सो गाइज, आई एम ऑफिशियली रेडी. आई हैव ऑल्सो वन माई बैग एंड मेरे पापा और भैया आने वाले हैं, एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू गो.
Concert start होने वाला है.
We are here.
We are so happy. Yes. And यहाँ पे बहुत सारे आर्मी भी हैं.
Yes. आते ही we started the fan chant.
Yes. Oh my god, मेरे को गूज़बम्स आने वाले हैं. अबे हो गया. वाह.
We are ready.
ऐसा लग रहा है किसी का मर्डर कर दूंगा अभी.
She looks very nice यार.
ये फिल्टर मुझे बेकार कर रहा है यार.
अबे अरे यार. Yes, we have reached and मेरा तो ट्रांजिशन भी पूरा नहीं हो पाया.
मेरा हो गया.
We are so ready
I
guys.
made 3 transitions.
Wow.
I need the whole stadium to jump.
हाँ इसी पे बनाना है ट्रांजिशन. Guys, this is crazy.
ये सब दिख गई. बहुत जज कर रहे हैं. स्टाफ बहुत जज कर रहा है. ये सबको जज कर रहे हैं.
이게 본점이지. 오케이 엔딩 멘트 종료. 자 다음 이게 본점이지.
I cried and cried and cried.
It was crazy, भाई. Crazy.
Guys, that's it.
That's it for the vlog. Concept भी खत्म हो गया. It
पता
was
ही नहीं
crazy. टाइम कैसे निकल गया पता नहीं चला. From 3 to 6 इसने नेल्स लगाए थे guys. 5 उंगलियों में 5 नेल्स गायब और मेरे स्टिल है अभी भी यहाँ पे. Very fun.
More than just fun.
Yes.
You know, now
I will always remember this day.
this is the best day of the year.
Yes.
This day.
Real.
And it feels so good after seeing them after 4 years on the stage.
Please look at what we got. One of the BTS army literally gave photo cards to everyone. We are like, he is so sweet.
Sweetest person.
And दीदी के पास भी एक है लेकिन she is ordering something. दिखा अपना फोटो कार्ड. So cute. This didi is very cool. This didi is very cute.
You were supposed to be our sister.
This didi is also very
ये
cute.
दीदी है.
मेरी तो दीदी है 16 साल की हो जाएगी इस साल. And 15.
Darling. ये तो मेरे साथ ही जाएगी. Yeah.
So me bye.
The concert was wholesome. I want to go. I want to attend another concert.
Yes.
But I'm not enough.
It's okay.
चलो कुछ नहीं होता. This is
Okay, guys.
wholesome.
That's it guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
아니한테 저는 못 올렸잖아요.
그래.
네, 오늘 우리 아리랑 투어의 이튿날이
Yes, I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me.